Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the suitcase that came with the Mark 7 piano, and we're going to try and figure out what's inside and how it works really. So the first thing we notice, we've got two speakers at the front and the back, and we've got this cool wraparound grille, and I think that's just a great way of keeping the suitcase quite light, but also quite tough and reinforced, so I really like it. So we've got controls for the front and the back, and I really like that as a feature. That keeps it quite a good design so that we can control how we want to project the sound. I can plug the suitcase in and we get sound from both channels, which is a great start. So I figured we'll open this up and have a look inside to see what clues we could learn about it, but also just check that this is in a good condition. I would hate to think that there was water damage or anything else. And with any electronics that have been in storage, it's just a good idea to kind of double check the safety. I probably should have done this before plugging it in, but here we are. So inside here we've got 4 eminent speakers and lots of padding. It looks fairly well made. We've got some nice cables there. And then at the bottom we've got like a nice transformer. These tend to be typical of high-end audio stuff that I open. So that's really nice to see. It definitely seems like some thought and someone's aimed for quality when making this, which is really nice to see. And as I say, I can't wait to get the piano plugged in a nice venue where I can really kind of give it the beans. So this seems to be the brains of it all, and here's the power supply. We've got the nice toroid transformer. As I say, these tend to be in high-class audio devices, which is really good. We've got custom designed circuit boards. Once more, it looks fairly well made. We've got a different switch here, 2 different sockets for the 240 and the 220 volt inputs, which is nice to see, so that if you want to switch between the different regions, it looks like all we've got to do is move this switch, although I'm just guessing there. And then at the bottom here we've got the different transistors, but we can't actually see them, so I was curious to know what transistors are actually in this, but without actually taking it more apart, which I don't really want to do. I don't think we're going to find it out, but we do have a great sticker here saying power physics. Now these are words I don't normally associate together, but now seeing them here, it does make me think, what a great combination of words. We can see the cabinet's made of plywood. It seems pretty thick, pretty nice. I think some design has gone into this, and also it seems like some good components have gone into this. I'd be curious to know what other people think who have got the cabinet and if they're happy with it. I think it'll definitely make a good testing bed for different mods or comparing pianos or effects. But yeah, I think that's it for this time. I thought I'd just give a little bit of a introduction of what's actually inside one of these pianos. And that's it for now.